Hi, everyone. It was so wonderful meeting all of you today. And I just wanted to follow up by saying thank you. And I also forgot to mention there are three components to this. Today, you saw one of them, which is the virtual school assembly, which is about 45 to 50 minutes for K through 5 schools. And we're introducing the three new tools right over here that they can use to improve their life and feel better about themselves and turn that self-doubt into self-confidence and reduce all of that anxiety so they can do better on their tests. And it's easier for teachers to teach because the kids are better behaved and feel good. And then number two is the check-in. The check-in is very valuable. So when we support your schools, let's say on a Monday, on Friday, we do a check-in for 60 minutes. And I give the kids an assignment at the end of the virtual school assembly. I'll say, I want you to go home and teach your brother or sister or a friend these new tools that you learned. And also for extra credit, I want you to practice one of the tools and let us know which one helped you the most. So now they're really learning how to implement the tool into their life. And then the third part is I'll send you an aftercare online course that I created. So it's basically Netflix for kids. It took me a year to build it, and it's kid tested and mother approved. So it's awesome. And there's a bunch of little videos that are 90 seconds long that every kid can click, maybe on self-esteem, internal critic, how to overcome fears, how to reduce test anxiety. And there's little videos of me walking them through it. And they have that for 12 months, absolutely free. So they have one, the virtual school assembly. Two, we have a check-in. So all of your students can share what tool helped them the most. And then number three is the aftercare that they'll be receiving 100% free for 12 months. And that's a good way to lock these new tools into healthy habits so they can totally shine from the inside out and really thrive in school and in life. So just wanted to make this video so you get a complete understanding of what our SEL program is and how it can benefit your students and your staff. And thank you all for allowing me to meet you, and looking forward to serving you and your students.